Decoding the phrase, to spoon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a rather cozy phrase, to spoon. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your everyday conversations. To spoon originally refers to the utensil, a spoon, that we use to eat or stir things. It's a common tool in every kitchen, and you probably use it almost every day. But in English, to spoon also has a more intimate and figurative meaning. It describes a position or action where two people lie side by side, with one person's back fitting snugly against the other person's front, kind of like how spoons fit together in a drawer. Picture two spoons placed next to each other in a drawer, and you'll get the idea. While to spoon often has romantic or affectionate connotations, it doesn't always imply a romantic relationship. For instance, parents might spoon with their young children to comfort them. Here's a sentence for context. After watching the movie, the couple decided to spoon on the couch for a while. There are other ways to express the idea of spooning without using the exact term. 1. Cuddling. This is a more general term that means to hold someone close as a way of showing love or affection. 2. Snuggling. Similar to cuddling, but it carries a more cozy and warm feeling. However, neither term is a perfect synonym, as they don't specify the exact position like to spoon does. And that wraps up our exploration of to spoon. English is filled with fascinating phrases that have both literal and figurative meanings, and this is just one of them. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and given you another fun phrase to use. Stay cozy, and see you in the next video.